not going back. I'm not going back. I need Daso Akidaso. Fit Maranian, special my relationship with us. For I give a faith for real. I'm not a father. I'm Tuana.
Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Salo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course make sure that you do share this video. So Monte Shange, who is Gogo Skuteni's baby daddy and former lover, has taken to his social media. You guys, he was on a live recently, and of course people wanted to know if he was a father to Gogo Skuteni's newly born baby. Now Gogo Skuteni did announce, I think it was last week or 2 weeks ago if I'm not mistaken, that she has given birth to a healthy baby and even showed us that beautiful maternity photo shoot, you guys. And of course, fans were hoping that maybe Omonde is possibly the father, you guys. And he was asked whether he fathered Gogo Skuteni's baby, you guys, and that was him basically saying that no, he is unfortunately not the father, and that he is in a very serious and happy relationship, and that Gogo Skuteni too is in a happy relationship with her new boyfriend, and that is the father of her baby. Guys, let me not waste your time, but quickly insert the full life of him addressing fans who had hoped that maybe there was a little hope that he's the father. Please do watch this and of course engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below.
I'm not going back. I'm not going back. I need Daso Akidaso. Fit Maranian, special my relationship with us. For I give a faith for real. I'm not a father. I'm Tuana. Kona last ponyami. Upoyo Nolian. I'm not a father. Aksi him ubaba lo mntwana. Agusi him ubaba lo mntwana. Aksi him baba lo mntwana. Lo muntu kudala ngahlukana naye. So ngeke ngibuza ngama congratulations nani. Agusi him ubaba lo mntwana. Last ponyam upoyo. Last ponyam umonde junior. Aksi baba lo mntwana. So ngeke ngibuza izinto engazazi. Ngiyanicela dala ngahlukana leyo muntu loyo kudala ngisho ngeminyaka namamanzi angimazi nokuthi uphilaphi nami ngifana nami ngishuku kusimbaba lo mntwana acela ngaphinde ma comments wami umuntu makhuluma athi what congratulations nimtshela ukuthi ungazodakela umonde akazani nomntwana. So please siyabonga ke cleared akusimo baba lo mntwana. So ngicela bafethu guys ngicela akusimina anestiri ngazi next nini baba lo mntwana no commenta khona ayikimba futhi kusemdaweni wrong nini kara ngicommente khona kusimba baba lo mntwana. Last ponyam Monday Junior. Keep his mouth because young Shaggy's already there. And the Bahamas bobum don orang varbang papel. If it's not my place with you kuman na boba bobum don what. Sindawa yami le akuseyami ke le. Hayi bazangitshela abazimi mina ngazi nami ngifana nana ngazi next. Let's move on ke senithole ukuthi mina angisuka komntwana. Abet marani ngiresita nini nizo accepta nini ukuthi vele mina ngisekho lapha restani bafethu move on. Ora ngifuna ukubona sengiveza nibambe ibulami la khani nizokhola ukuthi angisekho ra. Ngifuna ukubona sengiveze le anibambe ibulami phambi kwami khani nizokhola ukuthi azini umuntu akasekho ra. Ngifuna ukubona ngiveze le anibambe ibulami phambi kwami. Abake bangibona baningi abantu bangangibona mfethu nemedia. bake bangibona abaziyo bayazi bake bangibona. Ngizongibona ngingamjahi